Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'll show you how to play Manchild by Sabrina Carpenter on the keyboard. I'll first show you how the song sounds all the way through and then I will teach it verse by verse. If you want to go straight to the tutorial then skip to the time on the screen, otherwise this is how the song sounds. So for the first line of verse 1, we're going to play which is middle D, up to B, back to D, 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 down to C, B, C, B, C, D. Again, that is the second line is which is the higher B, back to middle D, 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 C, B, C, C, D, E, D. The third line is which is exactly the same as the first line. It's D, up to B, D, 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 C, B, C, B, C, D. Again, that is and the final line of verse 1 is which is D, up to B, back to D, 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 C, B, C, C, B, G, A. So that is verse 1. Let's play it again. After verse 1, it's the pre-chorus, which is just 2 lines really. It's mostly spoken. So the first line of the pre-chorus is just which is just middle G, E, A, D. The second line is G, F, E, G, E. And then it's just spoken words. So the pre-chorus is just those 2 lines, and then we can move straight onto the chorus, and this is how the chorus sounds. So the first line of the chorus is which is D, D, and then up to B, A, G. The second line is A, B, A, G, E, G, A, B, A, G. The third line is D, D, up to B, and the higher D, B, A, G. The next line is A, B, A, G, E, G, A, B, A, G. The next line is which is E, F sharp, G, G, F sharp, G, E, F sharp, G, G, E, G. The next line is the same as the first line, it's just and then it's similar to the second line. It's just A, B, A, G, E, G, A. And the final line of the chorus is B, A, G, E, G, A, B, A, G. That's the chorus. Let's play it again. Next up is verse 2, and this is how it sounds. So the first line of verse 2 is which is B, A, G, F sharp, E, F sharp, G. The second line is A, B, A, G, A, C, B, A. The next line is A, B, A, G, F sharp, E, F sharp, G. And the final line of verse 2 is which is A, B, D, A, B, G. So that is verse 2. Let's play it again. After verse 2, you can play the chorus again, and then it's the bridge. So this is the final new part we're going to play. This is how the bridge sounds. So for the first half of the bridge, we're playing. So we're a bit lower, we're playing G, A, B, A, B, A, B, B, A, G. The second line is G, A, C, B, C, B, C, C, B, D. The next line is G, A, B, B, A, B, A, B, B, A, G, G, A, C. And then for the second half of the bridge, we're moving up a bit higher and we're going to play. Which is E, F sharp, G, F sharp, G, F sharp, G, G, F sharp, E. The second line is E, F sharp, G, A, G, A, G, A, G, B. The next line is which is E, F sharp, G, G, F sharp, G, F sharp, G, G, F sharp, E, E, F sharp, A. So that is the bridge. Let's play it again. After the bridge, you can play the chorus again. It's only the first half of the chorus. I'll put the notes on the screen. And then the final part to play is the outro, which is just the second half of the bridge. So again, I'll put those notes on the screen, but you'll have heard it when I played it all the way through, exactly what order to do it in. And then after you've played the outro, that's everything for this song. So I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you found it useful, please let me know by leaving a thumbs up, a comment below, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.